What is up, guys? It is your boy Serge. So today I want to talk to you about how to make an ultra small form factor mini gaming PC console killer. So with this little machine here, it's going to play all your favorite games, and it's actually 1/4 the size smaller than my previous build. In my previous video, I showed you how you can make your own gaming PC with just everyday parts. As you can see, it really is about 1/4 smaller. This little machine is absolutely insane how well it performs. I can't believe that I can play all my favorite games on a super small form factor machine. I can put it in my hand. I can grab it and go, take it to a LAN party, take it to a friend's house. This machine is awesome. I'm gonna show you how to build one. Let's take a look at the performance and see how well this little machine performs. Now, the most amazing thing about having a gaming PC is that you can upgrade the parts. Pop this thing open, add yourself a new drive. Want to add more RAM? Insert it. You have complete control over your own computer gaming machine. Let's find out how we can make this possible.
On the same time every day, and you'll be fine. I'm like, that's great. So I'm gonna try.
Oh. All right, so let's get our Intel system to work. So the nice thing about our Intel system is that when you buy it, it already includes the motherboard inside, and it includes the CPU as well. And because this particular Core i5 is very similar to the AMD APU, it has a thing called the Iris 540 graphics on there. It can game, and it can game pretty darn good. On this little system, we can play games like Battlefield 4 or Grand Theft Auto and run at medium graphics at 1080p. So this is a really cool little system. The thing that really blows my mind about this system is that it's literally 1/4 the size of the system I just built. So because of that, I mean, that's something. So this is what we call a bare bone kit, because it already includes a lot of the peripherals that we need. So essentially the only thing we're installing is going to be the RAM stick and the hard drive. Now for this one, I opted for a solid state drive that was also a hard disk drive hybrid. So what it is it's called a SSHD. It's got a 1 terabyte drive in there and 128 gigabytes of solid state storage. So when I'm installing Windows, I'm going to put Windows on the solid state and install all my games on the hard drive disk. That way I have a lot of storage and still maintain pretty quick speeds. Only downside is load time for games might be a little bit slower. Alright, so let's get this baby opened up. Take a look. Alright, I've already unscrewed all the other screws, so we're good to go. Just pull up, and the system opens up. Let's have a look inside. So inside we can see the slot for the RAM and the slot for the hard drive. All right, let's go ahead and install the RAM first. So the cool thing about this RAM is that it's half the size of normal RAM. So for systems like this, it makes a lot of sense to maximize the space efficiency. Take a look at this notch here. Make sure the notch lines up with what you see on the motherboard. Because if you don't line up the notches, it's not going to insert properly. You might even risk damaging some of the pins. So if I try to insert it like this, it won't work. I'm going to need to flip it over like that. All right, let's go ahead and get this plugged in. So because it's laptop-based RAM, with laptop RAM, you actually insert it diagonally. You don't insert it from either the top or the side. Take a look. See how it's diagonal? Once you insert it that way, all you do is you just kind of push down, and then you hear this really scary cracking sound, but then it actually is stabilized and it's properly inserted. There are these little pins that make that sound. They're really archaic looking, but they actually work really well. All right, so the RAM's installed. Let's do the hard drive next. Small little thing. Okay, let's pop this in. Okay, so from the looks of it, let me actually look inside here because I want to see where the power connectors are. There they are. All right, so we've got the power connector and the data connector. Data connector's on the right side. So I'm going to need to make sure that I line it up with that. So I'm going to do it like this. So it's going to be upside down then. And just kind of plop it in there. Looks like it's all set. Really did enjoy the video. So one thing is for certain, this machine does have some limitations. Obviously it's pretty small. Now one of the most amazing things about it is you can take it and mount it on the back of your monitor. So you can have an all-in-one system, just grab your monitor, get your keyboard and mouse and just go. Now if you have realistic expectations on what you can expect with this machine, I'd say it's definitely worth it for you. There's many different versions of this machine that you can get and you can pretty much customize it how you want. The thing that's impressive about it is that it's fast and then it's small. I wanted to ask you guys a question. Are you impressed with this build? What do you think? Do you want better graphics? Do you want a stronger CPU? What exactly are you looking from a super small ultra form factor mini insane gaming PC? Now, I gotta tell you, I think it's pretty amazing. My only wish is that I wish it was just a tad bit, more versatile. I want to be able to do a little bit more. I want to be able to, attach an external graphics card or maybe put one actually inside the actual base of the chip or the actual base of the computer itself. Just hook it up. It could be about maybe twice the size, might increase it a little bit more, but give it that extra performance. Now, even though this machine is not perfect, it is extremely impressive that you can play games, on medium to high graphics. Not all of them, but you can play them. So I gotta say, it's pretty impressive. If you want something that's more versatile and you haven't seen my other custom PC build video that I did with this video here, I would say take a look at it. And if you're looking for something with even more versatility, let's say you want to make a full desktop tower gaming PC, I do have cards at the top here for you to take a look at, so definitely take a look at those. And if you actually found the video helpful, I'm saying you should probably subscribe, like that video, because I am making these videos for you guys. So thanks for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one. And again, I'm looking for more subscribers. So definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Serge. So I wanted to talk to you guys about Patreon. This is an amazing platform that allows you to donate to creators that you really like and want to support. So the point of this is to essentially support creators and to give them the funds they need so they can continue to reinvest into YouTube and build a much better channel. So right now I'm spending most of my time at my day job, and it's something that, I do it because I need it, because I do need the money, and I try to do a good job there. But my actual dream is to be the YouTuber, to do a really good job on YouTube, and to do that I'm gonna need to increase the video quality. I'm gonna need to make better sound, better video content. I need to spend more time, and I can't really do that unless I have a day job. Now the thing is, if I can get a certain amount of you guys to donate, I've done some calculations, about 3 to 5% of you, if you guys can donate and pledge support of $1 or $2 or more, I can seriously quit my job overnight. Now, the reason for this is because there's about 10,000 of you, so not a lot of you have to donate. But the thing is, it does go a long way, because I've already spent thousands and thousands of dollars and countless hours on developing the channel idea, creating the thumbnails, creating the video, and replying to your guys' comments, because I do spend about an hour to 2 hours every day replying to your guys' comments alone. So I really hope you do consider this as an opportunity to help develop the channel. Any of you who are donating to the channel, pledging support, I will have direct contact with you guys, so that'll take priority over normal questions on YouTube. I'll always answer your guys' questions first. So that to me is really exciting, because that shows that you're a super fan, that you really do care. I'm also going to be allowing you guys to really have your hand in the development of the channel itself. So are you looking for me to expand the channel? Do you want me to create more, HP videos as opposed to Alienware videos? What kind of videos do you want me to create? I'm going to stay in complete contact with you guys. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope I could convince you to pledge your support. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.
down to the sewers. Look, nobody's back here. Come on. Yes.
Deal with that teleporter in the water. Push them out.
Nick, but there's no one I can heal except for engineers. Engineers on the bridges. Yeah, I guess there's this guy. Oh, whoops. No, the bridge is down now.
Don't worry so much. Still.
Fire her base. Kill him. So we drop.
What?
Lasted.
Alright.
Let's go this way.
The first sign shall appear in the heavens. Justice shall fall upon the world of men. The armies.
I've got some brand new goods.
I have some new ones that I'm seeking.
Jennifer, how sweet of you to ask. My people will venture on nomads. All base is under attack.